Everyone. Today I'm going to install and explore Catchy, I think CachyOS, which is at number 2 currently on Distro Watch. So basically, this website, if you'll visit, this hosts all the versions of Linux. Okay, and it also shows page hit ranking in last 6 months. Okay, so Mint, I think I have already installed and explored. So I'll try to install CatchyOS now and we'll see how it looks and we'll explore a bit. So let's start with it. I have already downloaded the OS, so you can download it from here. Okay. If you can see, Distro Watch page, and this is the CatchyOS organization, CatchyOS .org. From here, you can download like this desktop edition. Okay, you can choose this one, direct source magnet, any one of these, and you can start downloading it. So I have already downloaded this ISO. So we'll start building the or start installing the operating system. So new virtual machine, next, uh, browse, and okay, somewhere I have put it. Let's see, where is it? Software, CatchOS. Okay, so this is the ISO. Linux basically it is taking as Debian, so it may be based on Debian. Okay, basically we'll select this one since it is not recognizing exactly. So I'll choose other Linux 6.6 kernel something. Next, okay, CACHY LINUX okay, CACHY is it okay? I was installing. Okay, so okay. So this is basically CACHY. That's right. CACHY. That's right. So I'm not writing the wrong spelling. CACHY. Next, I'll give 25 GB. Anything you can go give. And RAM, I'll give it to 8 GB. Processor to 4 processors. Fine. Finish. Okay. So let's boot it now. Okay. Okay, so catch yours by default. This is the option which comes. If you click catch yours NVIDIA. Okay, so this will install. If you have NVIDIA card, you can install this. Fallback model. This is some other version some like I think recovery or something. I'm not sure about this. Boot existing OS, run mem store. This one. So these three four options are there. So basically, I'll choose first one. Since it's in VM, so I'm not choosing. If you have NVIDIA graphics card and you want it to recognize, I think you should choose the first one. Okay, so it's starting up now. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so I'll pause the video for you just to. Okay, let it boot. I don't think it will take much time. Okay, so it has started basically. Close this. Okay, okay, close. Hmm. So it has started basically. I'm not sure why it's not showing. Okay. Okay, this looks familiar. I think OpenSUSE or some other OS. Okay. The interface looks good. So README, we'll start this. This is all about reading. If you want, you can read it. Forum, it will start early. It's forum port. Okay. We'll do this thing later. Get involved, release info, software, development, Wikipedia. I think it is software CatchOS PKG build. Okay. So I think it's taking us to GitHub to see where like I think it's releases. Yeah. So this is the I think it's all the source code. So if you are interested, you can play with the source code and all. You can download and do things as you like. Okay, let's close it. And here is the installer. So I'll launch the installer. Connection. Okay, unable to start online installation. No internet connection. Okay, let's see. Is connection wired connection disconnect? It's connected only. Not sure why. Okay, this is it. Fine. Okay, I'll do one thing. Close. Power off. Let's property property. No NAT. I don't think NAT. I'm not sure why NAT is not working. We may debug it, but for now I'll use bridge connection and let's see if it works or not. Reboot it again. Let's. Okay. hmm Okay. Let's do this. hmm So it's rebooting again. Let's wait for I think 20 seconds. It will be in the GUI interface again. So let's wait for that. I don't understand the last line. If you can see, it says like, okay, it's gone. Sorry, it has rebooted. Let's see if it is connecting to internet or not. So if it connect, we'll install it and we'll explore it. If it does not connect, uh, we'll stop. That's fine. Okay, maybe it's not able to find the internet. Okay, let's launch the installer. I think it should connect now. Okay, if I will show you, you see this is the start menu. Without installing also, we can explore this basically. Okay, okay. So it was giving me two options basically here. If you can see, it is giving me. It has gone. Where is it? Okay, here. Okay, it's giving me two options to choose the bootloader. One is Grub, one is Limin. So basically, Grub is older version of bootloaders. It comes with two versions, Grub one, which is legacy, and Grub two, which is latest one. So most of the time for Linux, this is the default bootloader, and Liminin is like new age bootloader. Okay, so I checked it in ChatGPT. We can see the basic difference for your understanding, and I'll also learn. Okay, so okay, fine. Okay, this is the one. Grub Grand, a unified bootloader, the most widely used bootloader in the Linux, comes in two major versions, Grub 1, Grub 2, okay, default boot level for most of the Linux distributions. Multi-boot, it supports multi-boot, configurable, Grub config, we can configure it here. File system aware can read many file system, exe4, BRFS, XFS, etc. without mounting the OS, okay. Boot from disk, ISO, network, very flexible. Recovery chain loading kernel parameters etc. Okay, and this new Limin modern bootloader primarily designed for OS developers and advanced use cases, not replacement of Grub. Mainstream Linux yet, written in C, modern architecture, designed for OS developments, booting custom kernels like Hobby OS. Okay, so these are the basic difference between these two. So key difference is like this one. Target user, general user, OS developer, file system support, yes, limited, only limited file system, multi-boot protocol, okay, multi-boot, same here, I think, okay. OS auto detection, yes, no, okay, manual configure. So I think for now I should choose Grub, which is for us, like general user. Okay, so let's move now. I hope you understood the difference. So I'll choose Grub. Fine. Okay, so let's see what's happening. It is trying to launch the what you say. It's not launching. Launch. Okay, it is taking some time. Like as compared to some other operating system which I had explored and installed. Uh, Not sure why it's taking a lot of time. So let's wait for it. I'm not sure whether it is doing something or not. Let's close this. Okay. Installation. And anyhow, this is good for live user. Okay, live thing. If you just want to create a bootable and bootable disk, a USB, and you can use it to boot into Linux. Okay, so this is setting. Start. Where is this installation? I'll log out and leave. Log out. Log out now. Let's see. The installation is not starting. Not sure why, but let's let's wait for it. Okay, let's reboot it then. Nothing is happening basically after lockdown. So let's reboot it. Okay, so I've restarted it. Let's see. Okay, it is on second number. So meanwhile, let's start. Let's go to distro watch. Okay, so I'll select last 7 days. Let's see what are the situation. Okay. Okay. Rank trending. Okay, these are the rank of it, and I think this is on top currently. Trend 2000. Okay, so most of the page hit actually. So this is decided on the page visited of that operating system. Okay, so let's see whether it has started or not. Okay, it has started. So let's launch the installer. If the installer will not launch, what we'll do, we'll explore as such. Okay. Okay, I'm choosing. Let's choose this one. This one. Let's see if anything happens or not. Nothing is happening. Okay, so meanwhile something happens. We'll explore it. So this is start menu. Looks like Windows 10 or maybe Windows 10 looks like this. I'm not sure. Windows 10, Windows 8. Okay, so this is favorite. You can add favorite application here. This is all applications. Okay, so the installation started. Took some time, but started. Okay, next. India, of course. Okay, erase disk. Okay, erase disk. Manual partitioning. I want to. If you want, you can do manual partitioning. I'll let it be like that. Plasma. Okay, so this is good. Good option. You can choose from here, and also it is showing the preview. So whichever you like, you can choose. If you like Windows, you can choose this. If you like Window, I'm not sure this is like a zero configuration. You can choose this, this, this. Okay, so whichever look you like, you can choose and install. This is like I have seen that this is one of the like great feature of any operating system. They should give like options for this. At least Linux have this option, because in Windows you have fixed amount of layout and themes, desktop environment. But here in Linux you have different desktop environments. So at least these people are giving us um, option to choose. So Budgie, this one. But see, I know I personally like Genome most. So this is Plasma. So whatever you are currently looking, so this is like a Plasma one. So open source and few other operating system uses this desktop environment by default. So I'll choose Genome because I have been using this mostly most of the time. Okay. So what is this? So this is asking for package installation. So you can choose any one of this. You can go through this printing support for this Wayfire. So this okay packages. I let it be like that. Next. Here. Oh, okay. Login activity. Next. Okay. This will create an all summary. Basically, this is showing all the summary. So what will be location? We have set to Asia, Kolkata. The system language will be English. The number and dates will be English, India. Keyboard will be this. Partition. They will create a partition and install it on creating MS-DOS and all. These are the things it will do. So let's do next install now. Okay. So meanwhile it installs, we'll explore. Okay. We were here. So here is our application. So this is a fast cross OpenGL internet emulator. I think this is a browser or what? This is okay. This is terminal basically. Okay. It's good. Look is good. SSH server browser. Our new VNC server browser. Okay. We'll open it. Let's see how it looks. Choose open server. Okay. This is using which we can connect to SSH. Using SSH we can connect. Cancel. Close. Okay, or applications. So these are then see catchy browser. So we have browser here, web browser basically. So I think it will be, let's see. Okay, this looks like a bit Chrome and window browser, which is this one. If you see this Edge and also somewhat like Opera. Okay, so this browser is good. Let's see, it searches through Google. Fine. Sleek, and the browser looks sleek and fast. Application cache OS help. Hello, I'm not sure what it is. Okay, this is the one. Okay, this is about this operating system. All application. Then we have Dolphin file manager. So this is the file manager. Desktop document. So this is like looks familiar, like how Genome or any other desktop environment looks. Okay. So we have seen the file manager, Dolphin, emoji sticker, emoji selector, partition magic. This is for basically doing partition related things. This hard disk partition and all. Hardware locality, hardware locality is topo. Show hardware topology. Okay, okay. This is good tool basically. You can see L3. Okay, this is showing me the processor. This one is also showing me the processor basically. Okay, make it bigger. Host cache Saturday. Okay, since 7898 MB total. Okay, great. Very good tool for system. This installation is going on. Meanwhile, installation goes on. We will explore it. So that's good use of time. Icon browser, calculator, KD partition manager. So basically, we have two partition manager: KWrite, Kate, console. Menu editor. Okay, what is this new thing? Okay, development. Okay, so we can edit the menu of this one. So this is good option. They have good flexibility they have given. Okay, then Miro edit and files and terminal. Edit the text file in terminal. Okay, this is kind of text editor. Mhm. Then we have Vim, Fish, lot of then media player is there. Okay, so these are the different things. Screenshot utility there, system setting configuration. You can configure system settings here. So basically system. We'll explore it now after start menu. So all like application we have seen like what all applications are there. I think there will be software center where you can install other application whatever you want. So in development, what we have icon browser, Kate. Okay, so basically they have categorized it and put development related things over here. Help, internet. Okay, these are things, multimedia. Okay, so basically in all application, everything will come and these are the category wise system. So these are system related things, utility, yes, utility. Okay. So this application, this one, places are this, history, frequent users, good. Sleep, restart, shutdown, leave. In leave, you have switch user, log out, and lock. Okay. So this is all about start menu. Okay. And let's explore the setting. I'll make it bigger. So first option in mouse and touchpad, quick setting. So you can choose light or dark mode. So this is dark mode basically. So currently it is in dark mode only, but I'm not sure. Okay, let's do it. Apply. Okay. Now let's apply the. Okay. So basically it was in dark mode, but it was showing as a light mode. Okay. Maybe some bug or something. Wallpaper. Okay, only one wallpaper is there. Okay. There should have been more wall. Maybe after installation you will get more wallpaper. Mouse related thing. Touchpad, screen edges. Okay, you can define it the left one and all the settings are there. So these are the edges you can set. Okay, here you can click and set like what options you want to do. Okay, peak the desktop. Suppose I'll take it here. One second, how it will work. It's not. Maybe see what happens. It is in full mode. I'll make it bigger. Let's see. Now it should work. It's not working. I'm not sure why. Fine. Let's open setting now. All applications, we were in this one, right? Setting system. System setting. Okay. Window drag, drop edges, window drag left or right. Remain window drag. Okay. Remain active while okay. So these are the different options. Trigger where I'm not sure what is this. Disable. Switch desktop on edges. Disable. Switch desktop on edges. Always enable. Only when move the window. Some options are there. Let's see. You can read it. Should I make it bigger for you? Okay. This is related to keyboard. Discard. I don't want to save it now. Okay. This is related to keyboard. Shortcuts. Okay. You can application. You can define the shortcut here. Okay. You can specify the shortcut for anything. Touch screen. Okay. Touch screen. Okay. This is for touch screen. So kernel, I'll do something. Let's see. Activity manager. Lock screen, show kernel, grid overview, present window, application launcher, and peek the desktop. Peek the desktop, apply. Okay. Uh, okay, nothing is happening. I'm not sure why. Maybe if you install directly on the system, it will work. But here seems not to work. Let's see. Okay, something is happening. Okay, see, something is happening here. Something is happening, but I'm not sure. Okay, setting. Hold this one. I think it's downloading something from internet. Okay, not working. Game controller. You can add game controller here. Sound. You can control some things related to sound. Okay. This is related to accessibility, system bell, modify key, keyboard filter, application, Bluetooth. I don't find Bluetooth. Maybe we have to do some tracking for this to add the device. Disk and camera. Okay, these are the related to disk. Wi-Fi, internet, online account, wallpaper, color and theme. You can choose out of this color, any one of this. Let's apply this. See what happens. Okay, something has changed. So let's apply this black color. Dark. Let's apply this. And okay, this basically look and feel, appearance, style, how it looks. You can choose any one of this. I'll try this. Let's see. Okay, something has changed basically. Okay, there are a lot of options are there. One thing I can say, this operating system looks very customizable. Few things are not working. Not sure why. Maybe it's in VM or something. So I'm not sure about that. But this looks very customizable operating system. And I think if you use Windows, you can give a try. This looks similar. If it fits your use case, you can use this. Activities, default, something. Okay. Okay. Something activities. Activity setting for default. General behavior, search, screen locking, recent file, user feedback, region, spell check, date and time, discard, power management, users, you can add users, remove users, auto start application. Okay, so this is auto start. If you want, you can disable it. Okay, you can add new things where to add here. Okay, applications. You can choose from here which application you want it to auto restart. And then session, location. So these are the different work. So you can change it. This is also very good. See, I think I'm not seeing in Windows. Can we change this desktop folder and all? I want to change the desktop folder. I'll search it Windows also if I'm able to change it or not. But let's see. But this is good option. You can change your default locations so for desktop, document, and everything. So this is all about settings. Let's see. Close. Okay, this is still installing. We'll see. Okay, there is some before slides. So next slide, something is downloading. Snapper. These are the things. Python job. I think it's like based on Python installer. Okay, so these things have done. Warning. Now currently debug Qt QML competent default slide. So next, I think is it downloading something. If it is move behind 16%, it's okay. Otherwise, we'll close it and move forward. Let's see. I'll make it smaller. Okay, so still on 16%. I'll wait for timer. If that timer is there. Timer, search for Dr. Go for timer. Okay. Okay, I think clock application should be there. Um, I'll wait for 20 seconds. If this goes beyond 16%, I'll stop. Otherwise, we'll end the session here. Okay. Timer 1 minute. No, I don't want 1 minute. I edit 15 seconds. I'll wait. Play. Save. I'll wait for 15 seconds. If it is okay, let's wait for 15 seconds. Oh, sorry, this is not 15 seconds. This is 15 minutes. 15 seconds. 00. Save. I'll wait for 15 seconds basically. If it goes beyond that, it's fine. Otherwise, we'll stop it here. We have already explored the options in this operating system. So it's not moving. Maybe some issue with this receiving package. Dismiss. It's done. Let's modify it back to 1 minute. Save. I'll add one more. 20, 20, 0, 20 seconds. Okay. Fine. So it's not moving. So I'll stop it here. I don't want to waste your time. So hope you have got the idea about this operating system. It's a different application. What all things are there. I have not yet seen a software center. Maybe after installation it will come. But nothing is there. So overall, this is okay operating system, and it has lot of customization options. It giving me some issues in installation, but it's fine. I think you can try it on your system directly with a bootable pen drive or something, and then see and give me. You can share your experience in comments. So thank you for watching. You should have a great time ahead. Please do like, subscribe, comment, whichever you want to like. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.